Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TurboTax to file your taxes. First, select the TurboTax product that best fits your tax situation, whether it's for simple returns or more complex scenarios. Before you begin, gather all your essential tax documents, like W-2s and Form 1099. Then, simply create a new account or log in if you're a returning user to start the process. Once logged in, you'll start by entering your personal information, ensuring all details are accurate. Next, input your income from various sources, such as W-2 forms from employers or Form 1099s for other income. TurboTax guides you through adding any applicable deductions and credits, which can help lower your taxable income and potentially increase your refund. After entering your data, it's crucial to review your return thoroughly. TurboTax includes an error check feature that helps identify potential mistakes or missing information. Take your time to go through each section, confirming the accuracy of all entries, especially personal details and any dependents, to ensure everything is correct before filing. The final step is filing your return. You can choose to e-file both your federal and state taxes directly through TurboTax for a faster process. If you're due a refund, select your preferred method, like direct deposit, for the quickest delivery. If you owe taxes, TurboTax will guide you through payment options, completing your filing journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.